Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at this fun and modern piece we just got into our showcase pretty recently. This is a Tag Heuer Professional Sports watch. This is a 36mm watch, and I think it has such a great and modern presence on the wrist. And to me it almost looks like a smartwatch. So I think this is a great choice for ladies who want the look of a smartwatch, but want the reliability and the longevity of a Swiss-made timepiece. And this one, of course, has just been freshly serviced and is ready to wear for many, many years. This watch I think is so great because it's just so pink and girly and feminine, and it feels very sporty and tactical at the same time. The square case, of course, feels very masculine, but it's complemented with this really light pink rubber strap with a hidden clasp design that's right behind the case, which is just such a clever feature of the watch. Feels so sporty. And then of course it's got this bubblegum pink mother of pearl dial, which is so in your face and so great. I love that it's on this larger size so you can really see a lot of detail and texture in that mother of pearl dial. This watch is also great because it's got the crown on the left hand side, so the southpaw ladies, or ladies who like to wear their watch on their right hand, can wear it very, very comfortably. This is all around a really great piece at a really great price. Check it out at SwissWatchExpo.com.